Welcome to Luck Padel, your reliable customized Padel Court supplier in China. With the most advanced laser cutting technology, we create customized logos to give you a truly unique paddle court. At LUCKPADEL, we really put our hearts into getting everything just right. You know, even in those spots you might never notice. We're hard at work making sure you can chill without a worry in the world. It's all about creating that perfect experience for you, inside and out. Every order undergoes a full trial assembly at our factory before shipping. This ensures that all dimensions and components are perfectly accurate, providing you with a hassle-free installation experience upon delivery. Pickling, galvanizing, and coating. Every process is done with care to extend the lifespan of your Padel court. At Luck Padel, we never cut corners. With double powder coating, we guarantee a finish that not only looks fantastic, but is also super durable and resistant to rust. It's like giving your court a stylish armor. Plus, you can pick from any shade on the raw color chart, so your court can have that personal touch that really makes it stand out. It's all about making it uniquely yours. At Luck Padel, we use the same electrophoresis technology as the automotive industry to achieve a sleek and durable black finish. The result? A high-end, elegant appearance that lasts, offering both aesthetic appeal and unmatched quality. Attention to detail is our priority. Every product undergoes a meticulous re-inspection. If the color isn't perfect, we sand it down and start again. Because at Luck Padel, we never compromise on quality. Our packaging is thoughtfully designed to protect your products. Each component is carefully packed for easy identification and delivered in perfect condition, ensuring no scratches or damage upon arrival. By producing our own turf, we offer lower prices while maintaining superior quality. Our turf features embedded white lines, eliminating the need for cutting during installation, saving both time and labor costs. With secure, fixing, and efficient packing, we maximize the number of products in each container, helping you save significantly on shipping costs while ensuring every item arrives in perfect condition. Since 2019, we've upheld a commitment to quality and responsibility, earning ISO SGEs and CA certifications along the way. With exports to over 30 countries and regions, our products have consistently received 100% positive feedback from satisfied clients.